I'm Fadhlina. I'm the founder and owner of Agribis Group since 2008. I'm the founder and the owner of Agribis Group, specializing in training and business consultancy for SME, food and beverage operations, comprising the first commercial kitchen in Brunei, a project under Ministry of Culture, Youth and Sports and Darussalam Enterprise, the shared kitchen. It happens during I was Googling and looking for an online platform. So I came across the academy and straight away I enroll. And I've also asked my other colleagues also to enroll. And it's been a good journey, and that's where I see there's a good potential for others to know about this academy as well. Since 2001, last year, where but I think it was during COVID, where I needed to enhance more knowledge on what I know at the moment to build my confidence in business. Looking into more into HR and marketing, as it can polish my existing knowledge, and to be able to help other SME with this topic. ASEAN SME Academy for is the best academy for new startup. To know more about how to enhance the knowledge and expand their business through the ASEAN SME communities. Amazing, creative, and resourceful. I was expecting a user-friendly website and easy for us to click on anything on the tab. And also, besides the new topics, we could also implement whatever happening in Asian, so we can develop more knowledgeable SME as well here in Brunei. I would really recommend all my SMEs friend to enroll for this SME Academy, as they could also connect and also um make friends with other SMEs around ASEAN. One, inspiring. Second is engaging. And third is excellence. So well done to the team for building this website. It's very useful for us.